Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do this simple, very simple eye makeup look, and I am loving it. I like how the colors pop. Like, it is a perfect look for summer. Like, I could wear this out of the house actually. Go ahead and get started on the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes using the P. Louise base in the shade 3. I'm gonna go ahead and apply with a fluffy brush all over the lid. Be careful with the brows. And then same thing with this eye. And you guys, literally the very little that I apply is enough for both eyes. This is really like full coverage, and it works wonders. I've been using it non-stop. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Suck all over the lid. Go ahead, apply it to the crease like so. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of that shade Fuck and just blend it on top of this. So just blending it out, smoking it out, and then going back with the shade Suck and darken it in the crease, and put the shade Suck on like the half of the lid, on the actual lid, and you just blend it out. So for the inner part of the lid, I am gonna go ahead and use the shade Wow, this bright yellow. And I'm just gonna pat it in as well. And blend it in with the shade Suck. And going in with the shade Suck to blend this out. So it'd be like half and half. Do you guys see that? And then I think for the inner corner, I am gonna go ahead and take this Lemon Drop shade and apply it to the inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it into the yellow. The same as this side. Blend it into the inner corner and blend it up to the lid to blend in with the yellow. I'm gonna take my setting spray and spray down the brush so I could get more pigment. To get a lot more pigment. I really like this. I'm gonna go ahead and continue on the lower lash line. So I'm taking the shade Suck and applying it closest to the waterline. Not being precise or anything, just blend it out. You guys, I make the funniest faces when applying makeup. And I'm gonna take the shade Fuck and blend this out a little. I don't want to drag it too far down. Something simple, something, just to match what we did on top. I'm sorry, you guys, but I am no longer wearing falsies for like a good while. I need to give my lashes a break. Every time I pull off the fake lashes, I pull off my own lashes, and it's not good. I don't feel like my lashes are growing as much anymore, so I'm like, fuck it, be that girl that doesn't wear lashes. And for mascara, I am gonna go ahead and use the Better Than Sex mascara. The mascara does weigh them down, so they don't hold its curl as much, but I just go ahead and curl them after I apply mascara. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to, but I still do. So that's kind of for the eyes look. I am gonna go ahead and finish this look, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Old Flame. This is kind of it. Like, this is the makeup look. So you guys, this kind of completes this makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.